Thank you for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. Let's get started with the headlines you're tracking this hour. US tariffs of 50% take effect on some Indian products, doubling an existing duty as President Donald Trump seeks to punish New Delhi for buying Russian oil. Denmark summons the US chargé d'affaires after attempted interference in Greenland, a Danish autonomous territory which US President Donald Trump wants to take over. Israeli drone strikes kill 6 Syrian soldiers outside Damascus. Israel has carried out hundreds of strikes in Syria since an Islamist-led alliance toppled longtime ruler Bashar al-Assad in December. At least 29 people killed and several others injured after a massive landslide struck the Mata Vaishno Devi shrine. Near the shrine in Jammu and Kashmir amid heavy rainfall, Indian Army along with other agencies lead massive rescue efforts. India reportedly opened all gates of major dams on rivers in its part of the Kashmir region following heavy rains and warned neighbouring Pakistan of the possibility of downstream flooding. Ukrainian forces have acknowledged that Russia's military has crossed into the eastern industrial region of Dnipropetrovsk and is trying to establish a foothold. Tokyo experiences a record 10 consecutive day of temperatures at 35 degrees Celsius or above after the country sweltered through its hottest ever June and July. Tens of thousands of devotees thronged temples in different Indian cities on the occasion of the start of 10-day-long festival of Ganesh Chaturthi that marks the birth of Hindu elephant god Ganesha. Oil prices hold steady as investors are watching developments in the Ukraine war and are weighing a US report that shows falling crude inventories. Talks are continuing between US, Ukrainian and the Russian officials. Ravichandran has drawn curtains on his Indian Premier League career. This comes 8 months after he retired from international cricket.